Hello and welcome. The following presentation on COVID-19 vaccines and accessibility was created by Brain Injury Canada using evidence-based information, vetted by experts on the organization's Scientific Advisory Committee. If you have any questions about COVID-19 vaccines or vaccine accessibility, please speak to your doctor. What is the COVID-19 vaccine? The COVID-19 vaccine is a medical tool that can provide 90 to 95% protection against the coronavirus disease. It is administered in 2 doses and is available free of charge to all Canadians. This vaccine is helping reduce fatal illness, long-term effects, and giving Canadians the opportunities to reconnect with loved ones, regain access to rehabilitation and supports, and resume daily activities. Accessing the COVID-19 vaccine. There is a lot of information out there about the benefits of vaccination and how to make a decision. Brain Injury Canada has many of these resources on our website to help with the process so you can make the choice that is right for you. But if you have made the decision to get vaccinated, how do you access the vaccine? Some cities have a lot of information about accessibility and vaccines. Information they have provided includes a COVID-19 vaccine accessibility assessment, accessibility design standards for each vaccination clinic, in-home vaccination options, the ability to ask for or bring a support person, and details for caregivers on how to help with the vaccination process. Unfortunately, not every city, province, and territory has that level of information easily available on their website. Vaccine appointments are booked differently in each province and territory. As a result, there are no nationwide standards on providing information about accessibility and the COVID-19 vaccine. This means it is up to each person to make their own accessible vaccination plan. Use the following step-by-step plan to customize your own COVID-19 accessible vaccination plan relevant to your province or territory. Step 1. Identify your accessibility needs. Depending on your accessibility needs, not every clinic or participating pharmacy will be able to provide you with a vaccine appointment. It is important to have a list of what you absolutely need in order to get your appointment. Can you safely leave your home? If not, you need to ask about in-home vaccination. Do you need a caregiver or support person with you? Do you need help with communication, such as American Sign Language, a French language translator, or perhaps something in writing if you have auditory challenges? Do you need a ramp and power buttons? Or are you sensitive to bright lights, loud noises, or other sensory stimuli? Step 2. Search for your local health authority. The federal government has released a helpful list of provincial and territorial COVID-19 vaccination websites that can help you find your local booking system. You can access the list of provinces and territories at the link in the description of this video. You can also use an internet search engine to search the following phrase: the name of your province or territory, plus the words health authority and COVID-19 vaccine. For example, Manitoba Health Authority plus COVID-19 vaccine. Step 3. Look for information on accessibility. Once you are on the website for your provincial/territorial health authority, you will need to start looking for accessibility information. Every website is different, which means there's no standard place for accessibility information. Here are some words you can look for on the website to point you towards the correct information: accessible/accessibility, homebound or in-home, supports, disability. If you find the information you need and you know that the clinics will be able to meet your needs, you can progress to booking an appointment through the provincial/territorial online booking system. Make sure you have an email address you can check, your health card, and a calendar with you when you make the appointment. While in some cases you may not need your health card, it is best to be prepared. You can also ask a caregiver, friend, or family member for help making the appointment. If you did not find the information you needed, you will need to move on to Step 4, contacting your health authority. Step 4, contacting your health authority. Health authorities have various ways to communicate with the public. The most direct way is to call them. Their telephone numbers are located at the bottom of their websites or commonly found under the Contact Us page. Make sure before you call or email your health authority that you know what questions you are going to ask ahead of time. You can also ask someone to contact the health authority on your behalf. Step 5, booking your vaccine. Depending on the conversation you have with your local health authority, you may have booked your appointment online or over the phone. Make sure that once you have booked your appointment, you write down the date, time, location, and the confirmation code. Step 6, confirm transportation. If you have to travel to your vaccine appointment but are unable to drive, you need to make sure you have transportation plans in place. Transportation options can include asking a caregiver, friend, or family member to drive you, taking a taxi or rideshare service like Uber or Lyft, taking public transportation, or booking paratransportation. Step 7, make a vaccination appointment kit. Before your appointment, make sure you have everything you need to get your vaccination. This would include your health card, your appointment confirmation, such as a booking code or appointment receipt, a confirmation of accessibility accommodations, if applicable to your situation, your wallet or purse, a cell phone in case you need to make a call or text someone, a face mask. This can either be medical or non-medical, and confirmation of your transportation, if this is applicable to your situation. Remember, wear a short-sleeved shirt to your appointment so it is easier for you to receive the vaccine in your arm. And bring a sweater if you feel chilly. Step 8, get vaccinated. The vaccination itself only takes a few minutes. You will be asked some simple questions about your health and then be given the vaccine. You will then be asked to sit in a waiting area for 15 minutes or more to monitor for any unusual symptoms. You will then be able to go home. Repeat the process for both doses. Once you have received a dose of the vaccine, keep your record of vaccination somewhere safe and easy to remember. You can also ask a family member or caregiver to help you keep track of these records. You will then follow the step-by-step process again for your second dose, if this is applicable to your situation. Do you have a question about the COVID-19 vaccine? Brain Injury Canada has developed several resources, including an FAQ article about the COVID-19 vaccine. Visit braininjurycanada.ca to find this information, which is evidence-based and reviewed by our Scientific Advisory Committee. If you have any medical questions, please reach out to your doctor.